Hello, this is Ayan. Let me briefly explain the types of BMS. PCB BMS boards do not have battery serial block balance functions and are low-quality products that should not be used in EVs, although they are widely used in electric drills. BMS, Battery Management System, lowers the overcharged battery voltage to 4.2 volts by consuming electricity through resistance or lead on a per-battery serial block basis. It is a standard type of product. Active BMS is the highest quality system that adjusts battery voltage balance in real time. Generally, when it exceeds 4.15 volts, active balancing BMS begins. We will learn about how to use active BMS balancing products that are needed for battery pack production or repair. The balancing process takes a lot of time. We recommend using the 2 e'm per product with a shorter operation time.
Hello, this is Dr. Road. Active BMS has arrived. It has returned due to a problem with the battery pack.
This is an active BMS that can be monitored with Bluetooth and is widely used in solar energy storage systems.
It is a high-speed device that can balance to a ampere.
This is almost 100 times faster. Normally, it takes a few hours for an electric bicycle BMS to balance 0.01 volts.
This shows a completely different speed.
This is a board that must be purchased together. It supports pitch 2.5 mm and 2.0 mm balance cable connectors.
The setup is complete.
The 2-pin connector is for battery 1-cell operation. The active BMS setup is complete.
When you scan the QR code with your smartphone, you can download the app. The BMS burned out due to excessive output use. The BMS MOSFET is completely burned out. The allowed current is insufficient.
The battery pack test results are normal. However, if the BMS fails, the voltage difference between the battery serial blocks increases inevitably due to board damage. The voltage difference was greatly increased up to 0.119 volts, which is considered a short circuit as the cause. If the battery pack is balanced with a battery pack BMS, it takes more than 48 hours.
Active balancing has started.
The LED power is displayed.
Bluetooth connection is 1234. First, go to the settings menu. We also need to set the cell count, or it will shut down.
You must enter the battery serial number to use it properly. Enter the information for the 48 volts 13 series battery pack. When you click the balance switch tab, voltage balancing begins.
The balance current is shown here. Balancing is in progress at a speed of 2000 mA.
Currently, battery block number 12 has the highest voltage. The battery internal resistance is also displayed.
There is one more feature here, cell's wire resistance. You can check the internal resistance of the battery. The values are displayed higher for old batteries. Battery pack current voltage, delta cell vol. The difference in battery block voltage, 0.1 volts. 0.1 volts is too big of a difference. Of a cell vol, the average voltage of the battery cell block. It is sequentially and perfectly arranged.
Let's find out how long it takes to balance.
Working time, 1 hour 37 minutes. Wow, usually, it takes 2 to 3 days for a BMS. This is amazing.
The balance work that would take several days to complete was done accurately in just a few hours. If you need to maintain a large capacity battery pack, this product is a must-have. Subscribing and liking the video will greatly support the production of the content. The address to purchase the product is available on the video board. Thank you for watching.